Monday. Who's ready to make a power move in their day today? Who's ready to make a power move? Plant that seed of a power move so you can then reap it. When the fruit comes off the tree, you're just picking right fruit, left and center. Hello there. Hey there, Kay. Hello, Brooke. Good morning. So I want to tell you this. You cannot be great unless you are first grateful. Okay, say with me. I cannot be great unless I am first grateful. And in order to be really great, you got to be grateful. It goes hand in hand. When you're grateful, you're great. And then you get greater, you get better. That's what it's all about. These are the power moves. What power move are you going to make today in your life? What seeds are you going to plant in your life? It's a new week, Monday, Monslay. I want you to roll out the red carpet in your life. Put on your crown. One of the credos I teach here in our VIP program in the VIP book, because life is a red carpet. You gotta have people on the sidelines wanting to take your picture, applaud for you, make you feel like the queen that you are. If they're like, get off that red carpet, who does she think she is? You know what? You need to give them the boot. Actually, give them the stiletto, make it hurt, okay? So I'm really excited to have you unblock your success by making those power moves. Some of the best chess players study those power moves all their life because it's all strategy. Yeah, I love motivation, I love inspiration, but ladies, it's all psychology and strategy. If you get control of this, you get control of your life. This will run you ragged. You'll start thinking negative thoughts, then the anxiety will kick in, that leads to depression, and pretty soon you're in a dark black hole. Everyone's like, where'd she go? She doesn't even have that get up and go anymore. She's not motivated anymore. So get a hold of your mind. It's mental games. So I'm gonna have you flip it. One thing I talk about in my book is being able to flip it and switch it. So today, name it, claim it. What you talk about, you bring about. Okay, I want you to feel worthy. I want you to start your dream fund today if you have not. What is your dream fund? Your business, your family, your peace of mind? Okay, I'm telling you what, health is the new wealth, okay? And self-care is the new healthcare. If you're not taking care of this, you're not even going to have a chance lasting, honey. So let me just tell you something. You better get control of your mind with the neck up. That's the power move. The power move starts with the neck up. See, in my workouts, yes, I work you from the neck down, the abs, the booty, the legs. Everyone wants to have that body, but they don't want to take care of this. I'm here to give you a motivational kick in the cranium and wake it up so you never give up. Believe beyond what you see. Faith. Use that F word, okay? Faith. Failure always comes before success. You gotta fail forward. Who's with me? Okay? I'm right now ready to have you manifest your dreams and goals by mental toughness. Your mind is your strongest muscle. And if you're looking for their approval, you're sadly mistaken. If you're looking for his approval, you better just stop. If you're looking for her to even help you, you actually better be careful because she's looking to trip you. That's why we have the VIP community. It is a rule that you are to be supportive and a team player, or you'll be kicked out into cyberspace. That's why I love the commentary. What makes a beehive successful? All the buzz. I love your comments. I love your posts. I love you supporting other sisters. You saying something nice to someone on the opposite side of the world because she's your VIP sister plants good karmic currency in your life. Who am I talking to? So never be satisfied. Add value to others and make the most of the infinite possibilities ahead of you. Choose the vibration. That's from the good book of the VIP power, guys. Choose a vibration you want to vibrate on. The life is just a beautiful journey. So for everyone that doesn't believe in you, tell them to kiss my abs. Let's do this live at 8 a.m. with Power Move Monday. If you're not a VIP, what are you waiting on? Are you waiting on one day to wake up 20 years later and say, darn it, I should have done that. I need support. I need a coach that's going to give me that motivational kick in the butt. Give me that mental adjustment like a chiropractor, that mind cracker. Let's do it. It's $1 for your first 30 days. I'm excited about that. I want to make it so affordable. I want to remove all the blocks. Then only $24.99 for every month. That's like a bucket and chicken and some sides at K-Fry. What are you gonna get? Are you gonna get stripped and shripped? Or are you gonna keep on ordering Uber Eats in your life? Pick a side. Let's go. JNOVIP.com. I believe in you. Let's do this. Love you, Rita. Hello, Sally Tammy. Woo! Yeah, call the sheriff. Share if it's gonna lock up the negativity. Let's shut it down. I love you guys. 8 a.m. Hey, there's Nina. Hey, there's Sally. That's what's up. Time to get lit. Let's go. Coronavirus ain't got nothing on this, guys. Let's do this. Let's wash our spirits clean of all the other viruses secretly killing us off mentally, emotionally, and we're waking up like this every day. Coronavirus or not, get yourself together. I love you guys. Let's go. Yelly! Woo!